I've played Dungeons& and Dragons and other role-playing games since I was 7, and the only downside I've found is that it doesn't happen enough. Online formats like Roll20 are fantastic for making more opportunities to play, but there's still nothing quite like getting together, eating pizza, posting secret notes around, and seeing your mate's face as you polymorph them into a squirrel. I wanted to enable role-playing games to be played more often. I wanted them to be played anywhere, transported, and more easily set up and taken down. I also wanted to find a way of making my game more organised. I still use dice and paper, and that can be a bit messy. I came up with CharacTable. If you're into games with miniatures and table maps, you can use it at the games table to keep things organised, secret, and to stop people stealing your pencil and dice. If you're into shorter games or games without miniatures, it opens up possibilities of playing on the couch, in the car, at lunch break, whenever or wherever you like.
I'm not sure my face painting ability is that good. Is it?
Can you climb trees?
Yes, I can climb a tree.
Great. We'll put a rope up there. You can climb up the rope.
Either way, when you're done, you just put the lid back on and it's a neat, easily transportable item that is exactly how you left it, ready for next time. There are 2 models that have come off the back of thousands of hours of game testing with noobs and pros, with feedback from games masters and players. I've utilised my 20 years of experience in product design and manufacture. There is the CharacTable Old School, which enables pencil and paper gameplay, and with a lid, it enables easy transport. There is also the CharacTable Mini, as a smaller, thinner, lightweight option that has a mobile phone dock. With additional funding, we can unlock the CharacTable Sci-Fi. This is for those who want more tech in their game. It has a smaller notepad, but with a space for a tablet and phone. Beyond that, there is the CharacTable Games Master, with an array of functions, including a unique whiteboard GM tabs, acting as an adaptable screen. The tabs are formed with an etched surface that works like a blackboard. They can be written on both sides, flipped, and interchanged. They are perfect for notes and reminders in-game. The Old School uses an A5 pad, the Sci-Fi uses an A6 pad, and the Mini uses an A7 pad. All are available cheaply online. The Games Master uses any standard ring-bound A5 pad, and you can also print a pad of your own personal design, as shown here, using an online book printer. Replaceable neodymium magnets with a lifespan of decades are used to hold the character sheets in place.
What's inside? 16.
The dice trays are felt-lined and easily hold all standard dice.
I noticed the trees.
The mobile phone and tablet docks hold any mobile and tablet up to the sizes listed in the specification. With your help, we can put them into production. The tooling is already available for producing the Old School and the Mini, though additional capital can allow production of the Sci-Fi and the Games Master and a whole host of quality increases across the range.